In the heart of the savannah, a brave team prepares for adventure. The team enjoys a calm morning, unaware that danger soon approaches.
Preparing gear and scanning the plains, the team plans today's patrol carefully.
As they observe wildlife, a shadow in the distance hints at lurking danger.
Little do they know, predators are closing in on the peaceful savannah. In the serene savannah, the orange uniformed team prepares for another routine day. The rescue team inspects their gear, ready for any unexpected animal emergencies.
Zebras sip from the waterhole as the team observes without disturbing nature.
Mapping the vast savannah, the orange team plans their daily patrol carefully. Young elephants play nearby. Lions lounge in the shade as the team maintains a safe distance. High above, giraffes nibble on acacia leaves, their elegance mesmerizing the team.
The team documents wildlife sightings, ensuring every detail is carefully noted. A majestic elephant raises its trunk as the team silently observes nearby.
The golden savannah stretches endlessly, offering serenity to both animals and humans. Ready for the day, the team prepares to explore the vast plains. Walking gently through the grass, the team ensures not to disturb the animals. Zebras dash across the plains, a fleeting yet beautiful sight for the team. As the sun sets, the team enjoys the peaceful savannah's golden glow together. Dark clouds gather over the savannah as the wildlife senses looming danger.
Elephant feels helpless.
Determined to protect the young elephant.
Guided by the team, the calf is in danger.
Guided by the team, the calf inches towards safety amid tense surroundings.
Guided by the team, the calf inches towards safety amid tense surroundings. Every step is careful as predators lurk nearby, threatening the young elephant. Forming a protective line, the orange team shields the elephant from danger. The team works in unison, courage and skill, protecting the elephant calf. The team spots a predator stalking the plains, tension gripping every step. Wildlife panics as the predator approaches. The team watches cautiously from cover.
Hyenas prowl silently, their presence signaling danger across the calm savannah.
A frightened elephant calf senses danger, drawing the team's immediate attention nearby.
A predator lurks unseen, increasing tension as the team plans a next move.
Chaos erupts among animals as the threat approaches, testing the team's nerves. With danger near, the orange uniformed team coordinates swiftly to safeguard wildlife. The team positions themselves carefully as the hidden predators edge closer silently.
Suddenly, predators strike, sending wildlife fleeing while the team braces for action.
Team coordination allows the herd to stay together while facing lurking predators. The calf climbs carefully, assisted by the brave rescue team. Uniformed team shields the elephant calf as predators linger on the edge.
team members pull the calf uphill, ensuring it escapes predators' grasp. The teamel's quick thinking forces predators to retreat, keeping the calf safe.
Predators circle cautiously, but the orange uniformed team stands ready to protect.
The calf climbs over obstacles with the team's unwavering support nearby.
Safety seems near, yet the team remains vigilant as predators linger. A lion charges unexpectedly, sending wildlife scattering as the team braces for action.
Quick thinking saves the elephant calf as the team diverts the lion's attention. The calf under the watchful eyes of predators. The orange uniformed team distracts hyenas, allowing prey animals to escape safely.
A lion attacks from the side, but the team shields the young elephant.
The team's skill keeps predators at bay as the calf climbs safely.
Hyenas stop their attack as the team bravely defends the young elephant. Crossing rocks, the team ensures the elephant calf reaches safer terrain.
The herd follows closely as the brave team lead the calf towards safety. The calf reaches safety atop the hill, thanks to the team's efforts. With predators gone, the team and herd enjoy a moment of calm triumph. The heroic team stands victorious as the Savannah returns to peaceful harmony. The team celebrates their successful rescue as peace returns to the plains.
The calf enjoys its freedom, guided by its mother in safety.
With mission complete, the team packs up, preparing for the journey home.
The Savannah stretches peacefully under the sun, a safe home for its wildlife.
Predators remain in the distance, reminding the team of nature's balance. The team reflects on the day's challenges and their heroic efforts.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more thrilling wildlife rescues and adventures.